Hi everybody, welcome. I'm Michael Christensen and thanks for stopping by Christensen Wealth Management. This is an update for the week ending November 24th, and I'm just going to quickly touch on the three major U.S. market indexes, the Dow, the S&P 500, and the NASDAQ 100. But first, the quote of the day from Hugh Downs. Hugh Downs was a television broadcaster, entertainer, game show host, and author born in the 1920s. Hugh Downs says, "A happy person is not a person in a certain set of circumstances, but rather a person with a certain set of attitudes." Let's take a look at the Dow Jones Industrial Average chart. Please do not place a trade based on the information you see and hear in this video. This is for educational purposes only. Looking at this 6-month chart of the Dow Jones Industrial Average, you can see a nice strong uptrend with the 5-day moving average in red above the blue 20-day moving average for much of the last couple months. And the 20 and the 5 are both above the 50, which means that everything is pretty strong when it comes to the Dow Jones Industrial Average. And as you can see here, on November 21st, we made a new all-time record closing high. And the 5-day moving average is starting to head back up again. So everything is looking strong for the Dow as we go into the end of Thanksgiving week. Looking at this chart of the S&P 500, the 500 largest stocks in the United States, we have much of the same performance looking as the Dow Jones Industrial Average does. We have a pretty solid uptrend here for the last week. The 5-day average is just barely above the 20, but rising. The 20-day moving average in blue is above the 50. So we have strength on both the short-term and intermediate-term time frames on this chart as we go into the end of the Thanksgiving week. As you can see in this NASDAQ 100 chart, which is predominantly dominated by technology companies, the NASDAQ is the strongest index of the three. The 5-day moving average never even came close to its 20-day moving average in blue the last couple weeks. And as of last week and this week, we have a nice strong rally to the upside, making a new all-time record high as of November 21st. So going into the end of Thanksgiving, again, we have a lot of strength on the short and intermediate time frames for the NASDAQ 100. Thanks again for your time. I hope these three charts were useful. As you can see, we are entering the end of November with a lot of strength in the three major U.S. market indexes. I will be making a video separate from this that shows each individual industry sector. If you'd like to tune into that, just keep an eye out for it. I'll post it as soon as I can. Have a great day.